Hey, welcome back to Thailand Virtual Travel Network. I'm here at the Danang train station, and I'm going to book a ticket for in a couple of days to go from Danang to Hue. I'll cover that story for you, and I'm so excited. I've never been to Hue before, so woohoo! Let's go!
220 yen is okay? 14,
Oh,
20?
perfect.
Yeah. I need your passport,
Okay.
It's 180,000 dong.
Okay.
Tomorrow must be
30
30 minutes.
minutes, okay. Okay, come on. See you tomorrow. Well, that was easy. It took about 2 minutes to get a ticket, and I got one for tomorrow, which is kind of amazing. It is recommended that you get your ticket for 2 or 3 days in advance, but I was able to get a soft seat for tomorrow, 2:20. She said arrived there half an hour early, and so, oh boy, now I got to get a hotel room. Okay. Coach 3, let's get on the train! 2:48. What am I supposed to tell? I got a window seat! Woo! Will the train leave on time? Less than 1 minute to go. Let's see. Okay, 4:21, not bad. Not bad. We'll take it.